There are so many videos on TikTok with millions of views and reviews of people being obsessed with this sleep tape, so I wanted to give it a try. I also have a husband that snores really loudly, so I was looking for something more natural to help him close his mouth and encourage nose breathing. Definitely please ask your doctor before using this if you do have a sleep disorder or a botched nose. But I thought this was really cool because it encourages your mouth to stay closed during the night, as it should be closed for oxygen intake. I always complain about my throat being super dry in the mornings as well and grind my teeth. There are a ton of people that do end up loving this product, so maybe you will too. There's 32 tapes in this bag. You can check out the product through the orange shopping cart icon below.